In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Bookmap Multiple Charts. By the end, you'll know how to quickly subscribe to new symbols, open their charts alongside the depth of market, and arrange multiple windows so you can monitor several instruments at once without losing track. Let's start with adding a new chart. At the top left of your Bookmap platform, click the plus button. If you prefer shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+T. This opens the subscription window where you'll tell Bookmap exactly what you want to see. This is where you select the data feed that will provide market data for the instrument you're monitoring. Pick your connected feed from the list, then type in the symbol you want to view. Take a moment to confirm the symbol format matches your feed's requirements. Even small differences in naming can prevent data from loading, so it's worth a quick double check. When everything looks right, click Subscribe. Bookmap will open a dedicated chart window for that symbol, along with its DOM. The chart gives you the heat map and price action, while the DOM shows the live order book, so you can see both liquidity and executed trades in one place. If the window doesn't appear immediately, it may be opening behind another chart. Just check your taskbar or window list. To work with multiple charts, simply repeat the same process for each additional symbol you want to monitor. Open the subscription window, select the data feed, enter the symbol, and click Subscribe. Each symbol gets its own chart and DOM, keeping your view organized and consistent across markets. Next, let's arrange your workspace. You can tile or cascade your chart windows using your operating system's window snapping tools. On Windows, drag a chart to the left or right edge of the screen until you see the snapping outline, then release to dock it. Snap Assist will offer options for the other half of the screen. Dragging to a corner lets you create a 2x2 grid for 4 charts. On Mac OS, hover over or click and hold the green full screen button and choose to tile the window to the left or right of the screen. Then pick another chart to fill the other side. This split view layout is perfect for comparing symbols side by side. A quick tip: if you notice performance slowing with many charts open, close unused ones or reduce the number of active windows. Keeping only what you need on screen will make your layout more responsive. That's it. Subscribe, open, and arrange. With this simple workflow, you'll be able to track multiple markets in Bookmap efficiently and clearly.